Exploring the stars, SpaceX's Starship and its revolutionary impact on orbital test missions. Imagine a world where interplanetary travel is as common as hopping on a plane. SpaceX's Starship is turning this dream into reality. Starship, a reusable spacecraft, is set to redefine space exploration by making it economically viable and sustainable. This craft is more than just another spaceship. It's the symbol of human resilience, technological prowess, and the unwavering desire to explore the beyond. Starship is not just designed for short orbital journeys. It's crafted to ferry humans to Mars, establishing the frontier for space colonization. With continuous innovation, SpaceX's Starship is on a mission to make life multiplanetary, transforming space travel into a journey for all. Join us as we delve into the future of orbital test missions, propelled by SpaceX's Starship. The universe is just a ride away.